You do this for the money, I do this for my family. I got an ocean view, my windows panoramic. Can't get too close to you, one day I'll have to choose. I had to make a move, in my head I played it through. You do this for the money, I do this for my family. I got an ocean view, my windows panoramic. Can't get too close to you, one day I'll have to choose. I had to make a move, in my head I played it through. Can't get too comfortable, cause they gon' switch up. They nights was on the road, homie, he gon' keep.
You are now watching K-Smooth Films.
Hey you guys, I'm your man K-Smooth. I'm trying to get a little ride in. It is February 21st. Temperature is right around 60, 65, 66 degrees. Just hanging with the fellas. Decided to put us a little ride in. One of the guys gone to get his bike, so we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bikes. We'll have 8 bikes riding with us today. Just chilling, hanging, trying to enjoy this Saturday afternoon. I did want to get the horses down there, but they kind of disappeared on me. Went somewhere, I don't know exactly where they went. But maybe I'll catch them next time. Just getting out, doing a little ride today, hanging out with the fellas. Present temperature says 75, but I don't know about all that because it doesn't feel like it's 75. It feels like it's about 65. But we're gonna go with the bike temperature on the bike. See if we can have a little fun today. Saturday afternoon, you guys. Saturday afternoon. And you have the Miss Lou Riders doing our little thing. It's been a little minute since we got together and did a little ride. What I said, we had 8 bikes, 9 bikes. Not even half of us. But I must say, we do look good going down the highway. Guys, let me know what you think. Do you guys ride in groups? Do you have a group? Do you ride solo? Would you prefer riding solo or riding in groups? Doesn't matter with me. I can ride solo, I can ride with groups. Doesn't matter. We're not going far today. We're just going to make a couple of blocks. Get out and exercise the bikes. Get out and get some wear therapy in. Get a little camaraderie with the fellows. And see what the day may bring. Bike temperature still holding at 73 degrees, you guys. It's not that bad. It's not that bad at all. Beautiful, lovely day. Down here in Mississippi. This coming week, temperatures Monday night, Monday morning, Sunday night, Monday morning, temperature is supposed to be down in the upper 20s to the lower 30s degree mark. I think Monday the high is supposed to be like 44 degrees, I think. So we're trying to get a little ride in before it gets a little too cool. 44 degrees is not too bad, but If I can ride in a 73 degree, I'll go for it. I will go for it. I'm just bringing up the rear, you guys. By choice, get these guys on camera. So leave it down in the comment section, you guys. Have you guys been riding? Has it been too cold? Or are you waiting for the springtime to pop up before you guys can get a ride in? I haven't ridden in a while. It's been a few weeks. So I'm enjoying today. So you guys, I think we're going to top our bikes off and I will get back with you guys in a few. So I'm going to sign off right now and I will see you guys down the road. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button. So every time I upload another video, you'll be notified and you can come back and watch K Smooth and the Dominator. Give me some likes, leave me some comments, you guys. Leave me some comments on what you think about my channel, what you think about my rides. Every time you leave me a comment, I will get back with you. Yeah, we back, you guys. We made it down here to the red top. To the red top, you guys. See what the fella's talking about.
I don't like all them curves either.
You didn't want to go down Liberty Road, man?
No, indeed. Ben and the white light don't curve.
Them curves all right, though, man. Yeah, we made it to the red top, you guys. Right across from the Hobby Lobby, which is not open yet. We'll be open soon. Guess the guys got hungry. I'll get back with you guys in a minute. See you somewhere down the road.